Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to present this video in English friends, and I'm going to present some of the interesting chart patterns from index and some of the stocks which may give the swing either in upside or downward side based on the latest chart patterns. Presently I'm projecting the CNX Metal index friends, and requesting you please subscribe my channel, like my videos friends. If you see the CNX Metal index, I have given the closing of 2500.35, and if you see the chart projecting from 2018 till date, if you see this chart pattern, this trend line is getting respect, is having the resistance from the CNX Metal, and after getting enough resistance, it is again trying to catch up the momentum by touching this resistance line. Okay, so first of the important resistance, I think in upside will be at 2518, and if you see, if it breaks the 2518, it will try to catch 2872, and it will be a weekly breakout friends. So weekly breakout may get some of the kind of this type of momentum, and it will get 2872 in nearly weeks if there should not be any crisis of corona or any other global issue. So in terms of, we see this chart patterns, there is Bollinger Band getting squeezed. If it is a break, give the blast at this point, so you can buy the CNX metal stocks or CNX metals, and there will be a momentum established in at 2518, I think friends. So important support will be based at 21-day moving average, that is a 2275. So 2275 will be a important support for the CNX metal, and 2872 will be the CNX metal try to catch this level and try to break out this level 2580 first, and 2580. After that 2872 will be the next target for the index. So I think you can have this index and the stocks from the index in your portfolio, so in your tracker watch list, so you can track these stocks and get some whenever there is a momentum, you can enter or you can trade with good stop, with adequate stop loss as per your risk assessment friends. So I think this is a good sector in coming weeks. So next stock I'm going to present is the wet friends. I'm going to present next stock. So friends, next index is Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, you will see this the trend is an upside, and the current level is a 26,798. So it is on Friday closing level, and if you see, I'm open the day chart, and there is a particular pattern, and which the particular pattern, this resistance, this support, and this resistance is there from the top side to the Bank Nifty. So in coming days, you will see there will be resistance on this level. If it cross with high volume and successfully break on weekly closing basis, then it can get further momentum. But if it fails to cross this resistance, then it will again try to go downward side, and there will be important support for the Bank Nifty will be at 24,400 or 500. So this will be the important support to the Bank Nifty friends, and I think in coming days 24,400 is important support for the Bank Nifty, and if it sustains the support, then there will be further momentum. The Bank Nifty will try to catch up, and it will catch the all-time high which it has made last year. So I think I'm bullish on Bank Nifty. Only suppose it has to sustain a 24,400 level, that is most important, and if it breaks, then there will be again a downside of, it will try to catch this support trend line. And my view for Bank Nifty and for the banking stocks is good at present, but if it cross this support, then there will be the downside momentum for the Bank Nifty. So you should try to watch these levels and try to avoid, if there will be a big breakout and sustain, then you should enter in the Bank Nifty, else you have to sell this Bank Nifty stocks or index if there will be the resistance at this level. So this is the Bank Nifty chart friends. So friends, I also bring some stocks for the analysis. So first stock is a Dabur. So after given good results of Q2, Dabur given the closing of 527, that is 1.4% upside last Friday. So if you see, it is some momentum is getting into the stock, and it is respecting this support which I marked, and this is important resistance for the stocks in coming days. So I think there will be the good breakout you can see in future near term weeks. So if it crosses and sustain this in this resistance which I marked, so if you see this Bollinger Band also squeezed and it is getting into a blast, and once it crosses this resistance, I think there will be a good momentum and stock can reach up to 550 to 570, but there should not be any issue with the globals. So I think this resistance is important and it will try to carry this resistance in near term. So you have to see, you have to keep this in your watch list, and this is important resistance for the Dabur. If you can take the Dabur at this level, so you have some limited risk in the downside, but you have to take with the stop loss, so you can protect your capital. That is most important, because if you want to in the game, you have to be equipped with a capital. So I think this is a good chart which Dabur is showing, so you have to keep in your watch list, friends. So friends, next stock is a rain industry. If you see this weekly chart I'm projecting in the screen, the closing given is 103.5, friends, and there will be the resistance which it crossed in the month of July, and you will see the particular pattern it formed, that is a cup and handle pattern it formed, and presently it is giving the breakout with the pattern. And if you see, if it cross 126, if it will try to catch 126, friends, but if it will cross 126, you can see a big momentum in the chart, and there might be a 150 level in the coming weeks. So it is a good chart, I think. It has to support 90 level first. If you able to take a risk of 90, then you should enter, else you can avoid the stock. And I think it has made a good resistance, it has made a good pattern of this, and if it breaks 126, then only there will be a good momentum in upside. And I think this pattern is quietly famous for this breakout. So keep in your radar for the momentum if you want to take risk. And next stock will be a so next stock is Irctc, friends. Irctc given a closing of 1311. It is a weekly basis chart I'm projecting. So from since May, you will see this chart is only from 1456 to 1296. It is traveling in this zone only, and a bigger consolidation zone you will see from the month of May. If it breaks this chart, if it is break its trend line, then you will see a big breakout in the chart, and important resistance will be a 1465, friends, on weekly basis. If it close with high volume like this, if you see these volumes, so if give the any weekly basis closing like this, then you will see a good momentum till 1800 to 2000, and because the trend is started, and I think there should be a breakout if all will be good in the economy, then I think there should be a good momentum established, you will see in future in coming weeks. So it is also good for short term as well as long term investment, friends. So keep in your radar, in your as per your risk you should enter, and this will be the important support 12,1296, and the resistance is 1465.